Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning,
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and we are in Glasgow, Scotland today.
And we're going to show you what you can eat and explore in Glasgow within 24 hours.
But before we start this video, we just wanted to show you the beautiful Airbnb that we booked.
This is the best place I've ever stayed in, so I really want to show you what it's like.
And this place is a
Massive.
beautiful house, and this is really near the city center. So if you're coming to Glasgow, do check this place out on Airbnb. But for now, let's start this video and take you across Glasgow.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
तो ये हमारे एयरबीएनबी से 20 मिनट की चढ़ाई हमने करी है पूरी.
ग्लासगो में ऐसा काफ़ी स्लोप्स एंड स्लांट्स है. डाउन हिल तो सही रहता है, बट
चढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम
अप
होगी,
हिल में थोड़ी बैंड बच
तो
जाती है.
अच्छे से शूज़ पहन के आना है यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करने.
वो तो गोज विदाउट सेइंग फॉर एवरी यूरोपियन सिटी आपको.
But not every European city is like hilly and then downhill and all of that ना.
एडिनबरा भी तो ऐसा ही था.
हाँ, एडिनबरा ऐसा ही है, पर मतलब स्कॉटलैंड जनरली ऐसा ही है, तो you definitely have to make sure you wear good footwear. अब हम पहुँच चुके हैं द कैथीड्रल ऑफ ग्लासगो, एंड ये 9:30 खुलना था, बट अभी क्या बज रहा है, 9:21 हो रहे हैं. बट आई कैन सी देयर इज अ टूरिस्ट बस ओवर हियर, तो आई थिंक आ रहे हैं लोग.
तो अब चलते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं ग्लासगो कैथीड्रल. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज इसकी एंट्री बिल्कुल फ्री है.
फ्री
सो या चलते हैं, लेट्स शो
मोस्टली
यू.
कैथीड्रल्स की फ्री होती है एंट्री वैसे, बट हाँ
नहीं, सबकी
आप
नहीं
बोलोगे
होती.
मोस्टली कैथीड्रल्स भी सेम दिखते हैं,
सबकी नहीं होती.
बट ये वाले में हमने रिसर्च किया है, एंड दिस वन इज़ क्वाइट गुड एंड इट्स अ मस्ट.
सो काफ़ी सारी चढ़ाई चढ़ने के बाद हम फाइनली पहुंच गए हैं ग्लासगो कैथीड्रल.
एंड दिस वन इज़ अ मस्ट सी हियर. ऑल्दो सारी सिटीज़ में कैथीड्रल होता है, एंड यू वुड लाइक यहाँ पे क्या डिफरेंट होगा, बट देन वी चेक्ड इट आउट ऑन यूट्यूब, एंड या इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस.
एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इसकी एंट्री फ्री है, सो आप
Yeah.
आके चेकआउट कर सकते हो. एंड अभी ये शायद अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन रेनोवेशन है थोड़ा.
एंड ये खुलता है 9:30 बजे. अभी 9:20 समथिंग हो रहे हैं, बट देन 5 मिनट तो हम यहीं पे काट लेंगे ऐसे ही, तो फिर अंदर जाते हैं. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ टूरिस्ट्स अराउंड, टूरिस्ट बसेस आ रही हैं, एंड पीपल आर गोइंग इनसाइड, सो वील ऑल्सो गो इनसाइड एंड शो यू गाइस अराउंड.
So that was the Glasgow Cathedral, which was so beautiful and काफ़ी amazing architecture है अंदर, and ceiling जो होती है churches की, that was amazing. And I think ये पहला church है जहाँ पे आपको नीचे rooms and जगह होती है वहाँ पे भी जाना देते हैं, chapels basically. So it was really beautiful.
And a must see here.
And you should definitely check it out. It's free of cost to visit the Glasgow Cathedral. So हम लोग निकले हैं अभी चर्च से और अब हम जाएंगे coffee and for breakfast.
I'm just checking which one is the best place to have some coffee. We like Illy की coffee, Illy brand. तो हम वो ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कहाँ मिलती है.
हमने एडिनबरा में भी पी थी कल. So that coffee has a really different taste. So अभी जाते हैं सिटी सेंटर, वहाँ करते हैं अच्छे से कैफ़े ढूंढ के breakfast. And then we'll continue exploring
the rest of Glasgow.
And thankfully आज weather अच्छा है. The sun is out.
Yeah.
So definitely a good day.
I'm so happy. It increases my dopamine levels जब sun निकल जाता है यहाँ पे. I guess आप सब agree करोगे. But
बहुत फर्क पड़ता है आप सिटी को कैसे देखते हो डिपेंडिंग ऑन कैसा वेदर है.
हाँ, और मतलब it's chilly but sun है तो comfortable लग रहा है.
Right.
But we are wearing our
jumpers.
Yeah.
So बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं है बट कंपेयर टू जहाँ हम रहते हैं साउथ में वहाँ से कंपैरेटिवली ठंड.
यहाँ के summers थोड़े chilly हैं I guess.
So let's go have a good breakfast and then we'll explore the rest of Glasgow.
So we are at Laboratorio Espresso for a quick coffee and breakfast.
So not to defame anyone but जहाँ कॉफ़ी शॉप में हम गए वहाँ पे पेस्ट्रीज पे कीड़ा चल रहा था. So
और ये इतनी फेमस जगह है यहाँ पे. I don't know how but
काफ़ी टाइम से वो पेस्ट्रीज पड़ी थी वहाँ पे. So we came out. Now we are looking for another place to.
इतना awkward हो जाता है ना बाहर निकलना. My God. But चलो अब देखते हैं कोई नई जगह.
अब देख. So after a lot of cafe hunting, we have decided to finally eat at River Hill Coffee Bar. So yeah, we'll go grab a good coffee and quick snack and then we'll continue exploring. So finally we are done with breakfast and coffee. आपको मेरी आवाज़ से पता लग रहा होगा. So अब आ गई है काफ़ी energy and we are going to explore the botanical gardens of Glasgow, which is another spot जहाँ पे entry free होती है. So
काफ़ी जगहों पे एंट्री फ्री है यहाँ पे वैसे.
हाँ काफ़ी जगह
जनरली
पे
होता नहीं है ऐसे. म्यूजियम्स एंड ऑल में कहीं.
एवरी प्लेस इज कनेक्टेड विद बस और यहाँ पे अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो भी चलती है.
एंड द बस इफ यू ट्रैवल ऑन द बस the whole day
5.60
for the whole day for one person, but there's tube as well यहाँ पे, and that's like the second oldest or third oldest tube.
Third oldest. First is London, then Budapest, and then Glasgow.
Glasgow.
So हम देखेंगे, we'll check out tube as well. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं Botanical Gardens and come and let's show you Botanical Gardens. Yes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began.
So we are now at the Botanical Gardens, which is थोड़ा सा सिटी सेंटर से दूर है. So we took a bus from city center.
15 मिनट की बस थी. मतलब you can walk as well. अंकुर को वॉक नहीं करना पसंद ज़्यादा, तो ये हर जगह बस लेता है.
वॉक थी आई थिंक 20 मिनट या आधे घंटे की. सो यू कैन वॉक एज वेल.
Bye.
बट इट्स अ बिग गार्डन जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे फ्लावर्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं. सो विल गो एंड चेक दैट आउट नाउ.
Feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
So that was the Botanical Gardens जहाँ पे the entry was free and it's a very nice garden and काफ़ी सारे plants and different species of flora आपको दिखेगी वहाँ पे. But yeah, एंट्री वहाँ पे फ्री है, बट इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस टू जस्ट चिल
एंड आज वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा है टू बी इन अ गार्डन, तो हम थोड़ी देर बेंच पे बैठे, हमने रिलैक्स किया एंड नाउ वी आर आउट एंड अबाउट.
bring your kids, have a picnic and
Yeah.
nice place to chill on this
बच्चे बड़े क्यूट आए हुए थे वहाँ पे.
sunny afternoon. बच्चे and कुत्ते क्यूट. So yeah, अभी हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे सिटी सेंटर. We'll explore some more places
Yeah. And shop
And-
with, please.
and shop a bit. Shopping के काफ़ी सारे options हैं, high street पे काफ़ी सारे malls हैं. So we'll go there and then grab some lunch and show you rest of Glasgow. So stay tuned. और subscribe कर दो यार please. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And there's more. हम actually यहाँ पे आए थे अपना Schengen visa लगवाने. So we will. अगर hopefully visa लग गया तो we'll start doing Europe trips. So more vlogs coming around that. So stay tuned, subscribe and like the videos, and thank you so much for your support. And yeah, let's explore Glasgow. So we're trying this famous Portuguese
Pastel del nata.
pastel del nata. So इतना पसंद आया हमें that we grabbed a 6-pack of pastel del nata. हाँ तो भाई.
और आ रही है.
So we are going on the subway in Glasgow, and इसकी ticket is 180 for a single journey. और हम जा रहे हैं वापस सिटी सेंटर. हम कहीं आए थे बोटानिकल गार्डन के पास. और यहाँ की अंडरग्राउंड एक लूप में चलती है, सो यू गेट टू कवर ऑल द स्टेशंस इन वन लाइन. सो अभी हम जा रहे हैं, कौन सा स्टेशन है, हिल हेड से टूवर्ड्स ब्यूकैनन स्ट्रीट्स, विच इज़ ओनली 2 stations.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
So that was the Glasgow subway, and now we are back on Buchanan Street, which is basically the city center. और यहाँ पे हम घूमेंगे थोड़ी देर एंड शॉपिंग करेंगे, then we'll grab some lunch. And thankfully the weather is very sunny, which is a blessing if you are in the UK, you know about it.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't.
So this is one of the famous shopping malls in Glasgow city centre. It's called the Princess Square, and it has wooden stairs and everything is wooden in this mall. Even the escalators are covered in wood. So
पहले होता होगा तो पूरा वुडन बनाया होगा, तो अभी मार्बल्स वगैरह सेट कर दिए
so
इन्होंने.
everything looks very beautiful.
Very pretty, very luxurious looking.
Golden lift in Princess Square, Glasgow. So now we're going to this famous pizza place in Glasgow, which is right here in the city centre.
It's called Merchant City, this place.
And the restaurant is Paisano Pizza, which is not here. This is DiMaggio's. Sorry. We thought it's here, but it's not. But now we'll go and find Paisano Pizza, which is really famous for their Neapolitan pizzas here in Glasgow. Karde ban chal.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want.
So we are now at Paesano Pizza, which is really famous for their pizza here in Glasgow, and the menu is really amazing. Pizzas, they have different types of pizzas, and their pizzas are Napolitano pizzas. So we're here to grab some lunch, and yeah, Purva is deciding what to order. I will let you know how the pizzas are once we have a lunch. And it's a really busy place. The vibe is amazing. हमें reservation नहीं करानी पड़ी, हमें table मिल गया. So, but you can go for a reservation if you want. But it's really crowded, and yeah, the vibe is amazing. Hopefully, the food is as good as the vibe. So let's try it, and we'll share our review with you.
I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive.
So we just had pizza at Paesano Pizza in Glasgow, and the pizzas were amazing. They were authentic Napolitano pizzas.
Very fresh ingredients, sourdough pizzas basically, and yeah,
And you can choose from a variety of pizzas or just add your own
toppings as well. Yeah.
But the portion size was also amazing.
Hi guys, thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you. So the portion size was also good. We could not finish one pizza each. So if you're not very hungry, it's best to share one pizza. And the bill was around £30 for a Diet Coke and two pizzas. So not
yeah,
bad
Not bad.
at all. So yeah, if you're in Glasgow, do visit Paesano Pizza for some amazing authentic Napolitano pizzas. And अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Gallery of Modern Arts, which is again a free attraction to check out, and we'll see some modern art over there.
Better days, I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to
So this was Gallery of Modern Arts.
जो हमें कुछ नहीं समझ आया.
Not so creepy place. Yeah. But if you like art, there you will love this place. Free entry again, and yeah,
We did not really make this video to show you everything free to do in Glasgow, but सब कुछ free है, पता नहीं क्यों.
But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.
Right. So that was us watching a movie. क्योंकि सब कुछ कर लिया था हमने और कुछ बचा नहीं था, तो हमने कहा कि चलो 2-3 घंटे मूवी देख लेते हैं. प्लस मेरा बहुत मन था. इट एंड्स विद अस देखी हमने एंड इट वाज रियली गुड. अब हम जा रहे हैं. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर सम डिनर ऑप्शंस. डोंट वांट गो टू अ सिट इन रेस्टोरेंट. प्रॉब्ली विल गेट सम टेक अवे स्टफ एंड गो होम एंड रिलैक्स एंड हैव आवर डिनर एंड स्लीप इन टाइम बिकॉज कल मॉर्निंग में निकलना है. So yeah, we'll show you what we are gonna have.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.